the older you get, the more medication is really part of your healthcare plan. And so what happens is that seniors get really priced out of the market. I mean, it's not right in America where you would have people having to decide between paying the rent or putting food on the table or having their medications paid for. I was struck by something that happened a couple weeks ago. The state of Florida finally got approval for a bill that they had passed, which said that they were going to import drugs from Canada. And we've talked about that in the past within the state legislature, even years ago. Doesn't that sound kind of strange, that we would take drugs that are researched and developed in the United States, manufactured in the United States, and then have to go to Canada to buy them at a more reasonable price? That just doesn't make sense to anybody. And so this would help us to really evaluate what's going on and try to bring the costs down so that people can actually afford the drugs that they need to take. This is not a matter of just choice. It's a matter of necessity. One of the things we see on TV, I mean, anytime you watch TV at all, what does most of the advertising go towards? I wish they'd always explain what they're trying to treat with it, because I always scratch my head and thinking, well, this is a pretty popular drug, but I'm not sure what it does or why. And but there's millions and billions of dollars spent each year on advertising. Let's take that money and instead turn it into lowering the cost of drugs and helping our people so that they can have their health care sustained. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to keep up to date with news from the caucus. For more information on what I'm working on, please follow me on social media using the links in the description below.